Hi guys. So, 2 days na hindi umuwi si Mr. No. At ngayon, malapit na daw siya sa bahay, tumawag siya. And hinihintay ko lang siya dito kasi, alam niyo na, 2 days, 2 nights hindi umuwi. Almost 7 o'clock na, pero ano pa rin sa labas, di ba? May araw pa rin. Dahil po, pa-summer na. Ganyan po dito guys, basta summer. Let's see. May helicopter. Hindi pa ako hindi ako nagputol ng damo. Ang haba-haba na ng damo. Hindi ako nagputol. Sabi pa malapit na. Ngayon wala pa dito. Nandito na si Dudong. That's him. I did that already. I did already. Shh, nako. Tignan niyo, ang tigas. Yeah. Everybody's happy, guys. Dada's home. Yeah, Dada's here. You guys are excited. Dada's home. You said you want.
Yeah, maybe I take them so I can put them in the water.
There's more there? Sala. Empty lahat. Oh, grabe. Very good man na, baby. Na, I have to clean this up. I love you. That's mine. I got Jory.
Oh, you got Jerry Judy?
Oh, hi guys, somebody's asking in English guys, nagtanong siya why I am married to older man. So my answer to that tanong is hindi ko pinipili. I don't know how to answer this question because yes, he is older than me. I was 24 when I met him and he was 48. So, yun yung age namin when we met. So now, he is 67, 66, 66. I am 42 years old now. So, the gap is still the same. It's not change, doesn't change. But I think age doesn't matter, guys. It's not because I am married to an older man. It means, kung ano yun ang mga tumatakbo-takbo sa utak ninyo, I don't really care what you think of me having a husband who's older than me. And in the beginning, I heard a lot of people talking behind my back. I heard people talking about, because it's a really an issue, guys. Hindi lang sa Filipino culture, even here in the US, it's kind of like shocking. But people think that I'm after his money. What money? Okay, people think that I'm just using him. Using what? Like what? Continue tayo kasi hindi ko natapos. I don't finish what I was talking about. English. So, hindi ko natapos yung mga pinagsasabi ko kasi naglilinis ako kahapon doon sa taas and then biglang tumawag si Mister. So, okay. I know for sure the one who's asking me about this, it's Filipino. She's just talking in English. Or I'm not sure kasi hindi ko in-stalk yung Facebook account niya. So, this is the continuation of yesterday's clip. So, people ask you that kind of question because they have something in their mind. And first thing first, when me and Tommy wasn't married yet, 2 years before we get married, so sinasabihan niya ako na you have to look for a younger you have to look for a younger man, no? Younger daw, bata daw, para katulad sa akin. So ako man yung nag-insist na no, ako Tommy insisted na kailangan ko maghanap ng bata, pero I insist na hindi pwede. At bakit naman talaga? Bakit naman? So, ang una kong question is, you don't like me? Yun siya. You don't love me? What? Yun siya. Pero so, yun yung Pero, hindi ako nag-after. Anything na nag-after ng pera-pera. No. Nag-real talk. Nag-after ako nun ng dapat condition pa yung green card ko. Okay, condition na meron akong green card noon bago kami nakasal ni Tami. Meron akong 2 years na green card. Conditional pa 'yon. So, condition yun, di ba? Hindi pa talaga totally na secure ka dito sa US. At the same time, nakahanap ako ng sobrang bait na tao. Yun yung totoo talaga. Kasi pwede naman ako maghanap ng iba for ano lang, papilis, no? Meron na akong green card, so ano pang hinahanap ko, no? So, yun lang yun siya. Kasi talagang si Tami talaga is grabe ang bait. I'm sure maraming mga nagtatanong, lalo na kapag meron nakakita sa aking mga videos na ibang lahi. They are always like, I'm just after a green card. Well, to let you know, I have already 2-year green card when I'm with my husband, okay? And yes, we file a petition, removal of condition, because that's what you always do when you get here and you have 2-year green card. You have to, remove the 2-year, ganyan, waiver, I think, basta yun. Yes, that's what, Tammy helped me with that. But I have green card already, and he helped me to file removal of condition sa 2 years na aking green card. And that's really it. And I stayed. We are still together after 18 years because iring nagakos, okay? And they are anyway, so because we love each other, he is a good person, and I'm a jealous one. I'm so lucky na he stay with me kasi I was not crazy jealous person before, and hey, I admit that. And after a few years, mga ilang years, I changed, and that's it. So guys, when you're together for a long time, the age won't stop. It just keep going, and then people will make fun of you more when you are getting older and older and you're still together, and then they will see that I'm a Filipina and he is a American, he is an American, and then they will question. When we were younger, when I was 24 and Tommy was 48, when our first few years together, I don't see a lot of, well, the social media was different then. I wasn't, I'm not, no one is really, I don't, well, I heard people, but not in social media. Now in social media, it's worse because they can see the difference now. Tommy's age, my age, especially if they don't know how long you've been together, they will make fun of you because wow, you just get married just for his money and for the green card and for this blah blah blah. No, because they don't know the story. So that's it. So hi guys, dito tayo sa labas. Nag-ano lang ako, nag-cut ng damo. At diyan nag-stop muna ako kasi hindi pa ako tapos. Hindi pa tapos, and ito sa gilid tapos na. So at least akala ko mamatay yung lawnmower. Let's see. Hindi ako mag-cut dito na area kasi okay pa naman. Sa harap lang talaga, sa side at saka sa likuran. Ang ganda ng kahoy, continue tayo doon sa likuran, and then hello guys, so nagtubig lang ako doon sa ating sitaw, seedling, at ang aking kangkong kinalkal. So kailangan kong protektahan yung aking kangkong kasi kinalkal ng ibon. Kapag hindi mapakain ang ibon, kalkalin talaga nila guys. Sabi ko sarili ko, hindi ko ikat buong yard kasi okay naman. Ay, kinat ko eh. So anyway, lumabas na ako dito guys. Nagpahangin na dito kasi tapos na akong nag-cut ng damo. And yes, nag-cut ako ng damo. At saka, tara. Yan, tapos na ako. At itong natin, sabi, tina-transfer ko last month or this month. This month, ito siya, oh. Itong red maple na kahoy. Buhay pa siya guys. Buhay siya, no? Diba? Nabubuhay siya. Diyan ko siya nilagay. At okay na. Tapos na tayong naglinis. Masaya na ako. Hi monkey!